Today we're going to look at error intervals. If a coin weighs 8 grams to the nearest gram, complete the error interval, i.e. what's the heaviest and the lightest that it could be. Well, if it's already been rounded to the nearest gram, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that gram, cut it in half, and add it on and take it away from the 8 gram weight, which means 7.5 and 8.5. But when it comes to rounding, if it's 7.5 you'd round it up. If it was 8.5 you wouldn't round it down. So what we do is we use the signs less than and equal to and less than, which means that the mass will be between 7.5 and 8.5. It can be equal to 7.5, but it must be less than 8.5. If I look at question 5, 6.4 rounded to 1 decimal place. I take that 1 decimal place, or 0.1, divide it by 2 to get 0.05, add that on and take it away. So the value of y will be between 6.45 and 6.35. Question 10, if I look at 21 rounded to 2 significant figures. The second significant figure is in the units column, so I'll take that 1, divide it by 2, add it on and take it away. So my error interval will be between 20.5 and 21.5. For question 13, if the number 2.8 has been truncated to 1 decimal place, that means it's been cut off, not rounded. So it's a bit like the example I've got below. What could the biggest and smallest numbers be if all you can see is 2.8? Well, that means that the smallest must be 2.8 and the biggest can be all the way up to, but not including, 2.9. So x is between 2.8 but less than 2.9. If I'm looking at the apply question 1, if a hexagon is measured to be 4.7 centimeters to 1 decimal place, what is the maximum and minimum perimeter? Well, to the nearest 1 decimal place, that's 0.1, divide that by 2, add that on and take it away, which gives me a maximum of 4.75 and 4.65. But it's a hexagon, so we need to times those by 6, which means the maximum and minimum perimeter will be between 27.9 and less than 28.5.